Call me crazy, but I got a new toy. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I bought this actually a while ago. It's been sitting and I was looking at my shelves and I saw this and it actually came with a little spoon. Now I think I've seen, maybe it was Fiona Art do something like this. So when I was scrolling Amazon, somebody take it away. I saw this. I was buying another spatula, which I'm going to do a video with. And I was like, I want to do something with it. So I'm going to do it just regular. This time I'm going to do a straight pour. But then I have this spoon and I think I'm going to pour into the spoon on the next video. So stay tuned. This should be fun. This is going to be, I don't know. This is a 20-ounce container. It doesn't really look like 20 ounces, so not really sure, but I don't know. I'm just going to play around with it and see what happens on this one. I'll get you down on the canvas. Let's paint. All right, my colors are all basically self-mixed. So it's a light yellow, a magenta, this is gold, this is bronze and copper mixed together. This is a super light blue, kind of a muted peachy orange, and then a phthalo type green. So those are my colors and I'm gonna layer them in here. So we'll see how this goes. I think I'll have to get you on my overhead views to see how I'm gonna do it. I don't even know because you can't layer it like a ring pour. So I don't really know how this is gonna go. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just pouring these in here. They're probably gonna mix together a little bit, so. Oh, I forgot about my peach color. I didn't want that to mix too much with that green, but oh yeah, and then I've got gold. Y'all, I have no idea how this is gonna come out. It's really hard because I can't pour down the side. I feel like I need to, okay. This just made me giggle a little bit because this brought me back to like the beginning of when I started acrylic pouring and when I would go into the store and I'm like, I could use that. I think one time I got like an avocado pitter or something. It did not work out, by the way. I have a lot of tools in my house now that I will probably never use again. All right, what do I want to do here? I want to make sure I've got the magenta. I want all of the magenta in there. Okay, all of my gold. Yeah, I think the one with the spoon, I'm going to do it in blues so that if they mix, it's okay. But I think that one's going to be really cool. I'm going to do my light blue again. Oh, I can pour it down the mouth of it, so that's kind of cool. Then I'll do my green. And I think maybe I'll have a little bit of copper down as the base. This peach color, man. Maybe I'll do the yellow. Okay, I finished up all these cups. These were all like leftover paints. I mixed them all together to get these colors. I had like, I don't know, 20 tiny little cups of just like little bits of color. Yep, here we go. But like when I do a straight pour normally and I'm pouring it out, you know, it comes out of like this rounded lip. So I thought that this would be cool. Okay. All right. I've got some drips on. Oh gosh. Okay. And then what I think I'll do is just pour water in it, let it sit. Then I can pour that out because I don't want to really wash that in the sink. Okay. Got a little base of color here just to help things kind of spread out a little bit. I don't know. This is going to be fun. I got a new tool. Okay. All right, here we go. Let me see here. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's pouring out really fast. I can't like tilt it the same. Okay, I'm gonna wiggle a little bit. Let's see what happens there. Maybe I can go in a little bit of a circle. I should have done this maybe on the spinner. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna create a little bit of a design in here. Go the other way. Then jiggle again. I have a lot of the copper coming through. Okay, here we go. I'm getting like a tiny little stream now. And the tiny little stream, oh, I like that. I'm interested to see how these colors are going to come out too. And I feel like I need to say, if you are at home, you do not need a gravy boat. Like I did. I go online to like buy a spatula and I end up with a gravy boat. Oh, I've somehow traveled kind of far back over from the center. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit faster again. Gonna twist it around. Oh, I don't want to dip into there. This one is gonna have some crazy designs, y'all. Oh, I love the colors that are coming out right now. Okay, back to a straight pour. Oh, the colors that are in the center. Can y'all see those? Oh, that yellow is so pretty. Okay, back to the straight pour. Oh my gosh, y'all. This took like forever. And my back is hurting. Okay, the last little bits here. This thing is heavy. Okay. Phew! Oh, I could see it starting to like pour to the other side. All right, let me pop the air bubbles. Look at the inside of that. Wow. Huh. I love that yellow color. Those colors that came out right at the center. Oh, so pretty. That was a 20 ounce pour though. So, okay, let's just see. I'm going to circle it on around first. Oh, that peach color too. Gosh, I'm going to lose a lot of my magenta around the edges. Wait. Okay, once I get back up there, I'll start to stretch it out. I feel like I lost so many other colors in it. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty though. Y'all, I am pleasantly surprised. There are so many different colors. None of them blended to a color that I don't like. I am so surprised. That was fun. That was super fun. All right, I'm gonna clean up and then I will show you what this looks like. Here is the inside of that cup that is like a work of art itself. This is ceramic, so I feel like I could maybe just let this dry and peel it out. I'll have to see. Y'all, this is so pretty. And I think some of these colors are going to be metallic. Look at all the lines and the details. I feel like if my paints were a little bit thicker, I would have gotten, there's so many lines. I think if my paints were a little bit thicker, maybe I would have gotten a little bit more design in the center, but oh, I even like the center. This is so cool. What a fun, oh, I love that yellow color too. The colors turned out really pretty. Yes. All right, I'll show you how it dries. I must say, I actually really like the colors. And this one, the design came out like The Scream by, I think it's Edvin Munch. I don't know if you see it, but the hands there and the face, this is so cool. The metallics are just, it's like a bronze, a copper and a bronze mixed color. Look at that. And it's everywhere on the outer edges. Oh, I love the yellow, the orange, the green, the hint of magenta. That was so much fun to do out of the gravy boat. I have a spoon as well, and I think I'm going to do a gravy boat and then pour it over the spoon and see what kind of effects that gives me too. So I love playing with new tools, y'all. All right, I will see you in the next painting video. Thanks everybody for watching. Happy painting.